Hi there, hope you're all doing well. I am back with the next of my Doom-inspired skirmish team. This is another of the warriors, but this time I'm going for the colour scheme based off of the Baron of Hell. This mini was primed black, given the white zenithal highlight, and then given that purple tint, the same as all the other ones. The main skin tone of the Baron is pink, so I'll give it a once over with magenta. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description. There you can share anything you have been working on. Next up is a highlight of that magenta with pink. This is a very vibrant highlight at first that just looked wrong when I first put this on, but once the wash goes on it darkens down enough and just blends it the way it should do. Now for the wash to blend the colours, this is a purple tone wash all over the skin. With the wash dry, I come back in with pink again and add some more highlights just to bring up some of the sharper raised areas. Moving on from the skin, I give the base a once over with black brown, just to tie it in with the rest of the skirmish team. The chain on the base and the frame of the banner are done with tinny tin. The armor of this warrior is getting done with leather brown, as the Baron of Hell is pink and a brown color scheme, and the metallic paint just wouldn't work for me. As with the last mini, the tattered cloths around the waist are done with kobold skin, as well as the banner. There's a lot of skulls and bones around this mini, so I grabbed skeleton bone and gave them all a base coat with that. To highlight up the kobold skin, I went for corpse pale for all the edges and raised areas. If this was just for their clothing part, I probably would have left this step out, but the banner is way too big to just ignore and not highlight up. All that skeleton bone is now dry, so I use bone white to add a highlight to the top part of the skulls. For everything except the skin and the sword, I used flesh wash to add some shadows in. Now to get this sword done with goblin green as the main colour. To highlight the goblin green and add in the symbols around the mini, I used Escorpina green. Finally, to blend the colours together on the sword, I gave it a watered down wash of green tone. And that would be it for the second warrior of this team. I wasn't sure how the brown armor plates would actually come out, but once the green went on, I think it turned out pretty good. As always, there will be photos of this mini on my Instagram page. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description. There you can share anything you have been working on. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.